here. Now I'm speaking. Okay, speaking here. I'm speaking here. Okay, please rejoin. If anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Yes, here I'm speaking. Here I'm speaking. I'm speaking here. Okay, please rejoin. Okay. Yes. Yeah, almost all guys are able to hear me. Yes. Yeah, fine. Well and good. Yes, everyone. And except only one guy. Yes, like except one. Yes, like Shivaram. Shivaram. Yeah, this guy. Shivaram. Shivaram, just rejoin the session. Yes, Shivaram, just please rejoin the session. Except this guy, everyone. This guy has to rejoin. Yes, showing offline. Yes, showing offline. Okay. Yes, here I can see who are able to hear me. I can see here. Everyone online only, except this guy. Except Shivaram. Yes, everyone is fine. Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. Now let us start our session. Okay. Yes, introduction. First of all, about myself. About myself. About myself. Okay. So about myself. About myself here. Yes, this is Nageswar Rao. This is Nageswar Rao. Yes, well-known trainer for Java and Linux area. Yes, having 22 years of experience. 22 years of experience in software fields. Having 22 years of experience. Okay. So presently, I'm working for D-Bolt. Yes, D-Bolt. Yes, India Private Limited. India Private Limited. D-Bolt India Private Limited. Presently, I'm working for D-Bolt India Private Limited. D-Bolt India Private Limited. Okay. Here, this is my working company. Let me show that. Google. Yes. D. Yes, this is D-Bolt. Next of Hyderabad. This is my present working company. D-Bolt Systems Private Limited, Madhapur. Yes, ATM machines manufacturing industry. Yes, in software division IT sector, I'm working here. Okay. Yes, this is VS and IT Park. VS and IT for 9th floor, Vega block. VS and IT Park. This is my working location. Present company. This is my present company. Present company here. Okay. Yes. Presently, my role. Yes. Solution architect. Solution architect for Java projects. Solution architect for Java projects. Okay. Yes, very good experience. Many projects completed on Java. Yes, around 15 projects completed. Around 15 projects. Yes, my profile, very long career this is. Yes, I started my career in the year 1997. 1997 started my career. 1997 started my career. Started. Okay. Yes, initially started my career with yes, Unix and embedded C. Later changed to Java career. Very good experience. Okay. Yes, when come to teaching, yes, online training classes also good experience since last 2 years taking this online training classes also. Online training since last 2 years. Okay. Yes. So that's all about myself. I think much may not be required here. Okay. Yes. Why it's not coming? Yes, guys. 1 second. Yes. Let me check it. Yes. Unmuted all of you guys. Yes, yeah. Any voice break, guys? Can you hear me very clearly? I'm asking everyone. Can you hear me, everyone? Am I audible? Yes. Okay. Maybe one or two guys getting some issue. They can rejoin. If you getting voice break, just rejoin. Next, one more thing here. Who are attending from the mobile phones, chance of getting voice break. Okay. From mobile phones. Mobile phones. Yes, the chance of mobile phones. If you're attending from mobile phones here, yes, chance of getting voice break. Chance of getting voice break. Chance of getting voice break. Voice break. For them, chance of voice break. Suppose attending from computer, no problem. Okay, with computer, no issue. Only problem with the mobile phone. From mobile phone, chance of getting voice break. Okay, yes. So yeah, that's all about myself. Okay, yes. Next, yes. Let us go to actual topic. Yes, first, let us see course plan. What's a course plan? I'll explain with course plan and course contents. Course plan, and course contents. Yes, course contents. Course contents. Course contents. Course plan, course contents. Okay. Yes, I will explain very clearly what's your course plan, what are the course contents, so what are the topics going to cover. All these things we'll discuss. Okay. So before this, yes, one more thing here. Maybe somebody doubts. Yes, can I learn Java? Maybe some doubts. Okay, what's the prerequisite to learn Java? Maybe this kind of doubts. Yes, am I in a position to, yes, learn Java or not? That is my main question. That is main question. Main question here. Okay, here first question is, what is prerequisites? What is prerequisites? What is prerequisites to learn Java? First question is, what is prerequisite to learn Java? First question, what is prerequisite to learn Java? First question, what is prerequisite to learn Java? What is prerequisite? Okay. Yes, for this answer, C language. C language required. Not in depth here, basics of C language. Basics of C language required. Basics of C language required here. Basics of C language here. Basics of C language. I'm expecting only basics. Basics like if, of course, here also I'll explain. I'll brush up those topics. Basics like if statements. Okay. Yes, something like data types. Next, if statements. Yes, next, loops. Yes, I'm expecting only this much. If statement and loops. That's it here. If and loops. Not more than this. Only this much I'm expecting here. Basics of C language. Data types. If statements. Yes, how to work with if statements. If statements here and loops. I'm expecting only this much. Of course. Here also I'll explain. In Java also we'll discuss about data types. In Java also I'll explain about if statement. How to use if statement in Java. How to use loops. Loops like while loop. Next, do while. Next, for loop. These loops I'll explain. Don't worry. I'll explain. Yes, I'll brush up here also. Yes, suppose if you have that knowledge, then well and good. If you have that knowledge, well and good. 1 second. Still some more. See, if anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. If anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. I'm speaking here. Session started going on. If anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Just rejoin. Okay, just rejoin. If anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin. Okay. Yes. So this, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Yes, answer basics of C language. Next, data types, if statements. Yes, next is loops. These things I'm expecting from you. Okay. Yes, of course, in Java also I'll brush up. Java, C language syntax, Java syntax almost similar. C and Java syntactically same. Suppose Python is different. Python syntax is different here. C language, C++, Java syntactically same. C, C++, Java syntactically same. Okay. Yes, that's the reason if you know that basics of C language, somewhat easy to understand. Okay. Yes, of course. I'll brush up. Yes, data types I'll explain Java. If statements I'll explain. Loops also, while loop, do while loop, for loop. These on these also I'll explain some examples. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Fine. Next about course contents. Course contents. What are the course contents? This is important. Course contents. What are the course contents going to discuss? Okay. So first, course contents. Yes, our course is core Java actually. It's a core Java. Our course is core Java. Core Java. Yes. Our topic is core Java. Our course is core Java. So what are the topics covering core Java? What are the topics going to cover in core Java? Okay. First, before going to Java, there are some software basics. Software basics. First, I will start with software basics. Software basics. There are some basics, software basics. Software basics. Software basics like system software, application software. Next, what is OS? Next, what is language? Next, what are the generation of languages? Okay, low level languages, high level languages. There are some basics. Next, interpreter, compiler. There are some basics. After that, starting Java. Okay, 1 second. Let me show the document, your class document. Class document. Java document. Advanced Java, Java document. Java document. Here, this is recently updated document. So first, initially starting soft. Yes, see, from the very basics, I'm starting here. Starting from very basics, even fresher also can understand here. Okay, simply just engineering company, engineering, who are joining engineering, maybe first year engineering student or second year engineering also, they should understand this. Okay, started from very basics. See, introduction to software, like system software, application software. Next, what is OS, these concepts. Next, after that, next, application software, like front end, back end. Next, language and packages. Next, low level languages and high level languages. Next, generation of language, like first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, these things here. After that, what's the difference between interpreter and compiler? All the basics. Basics of software. Yes, I'll explain slowly. All the basics of software. After finishing that basics, next, introduction to Java. Okay. Yes. So software basics. Next, Java introduction. Java introduction. Okay. Java introduction. Java introduction. Okay. Like Java introduction means what is exactly Java? What are the different editions of Java? What are the features of Java? So next is Java features. So next, Java features. Java features. Java features. So Java introduction. Next, Java features. Okay. After that, next, how to install Java. Yes, installing Java. Installing Java on Windows OS, Linux base, Windows and Linux applications. How to set up Java on Windows and Linux base, Windows and Linux base. Yes, in real-time projects, yes, sometimes maybe, yes, maybe chance of working Linux base situation, maybe facing situation to work on Linux base. That case, how to install Java on Linux base, how to set up Java, so how to work with the Linux base, and these things we'll be discussing. Okay, next here, Yes, Eclipse setup. Next Eclipse, Java Eclipse setup, Eclipse setup, Eclipse setup. Eclipse is nothing but IDE here. Eclipse IDE. Okay, to develop Java Eclipse IDE. So how to work on Eclipse here? Eclipse IDE. Okay. Next after setup here. Next. So steps to develop Java application. Nothing but Java projects. Okay, steps to develop Java application. Yes, using Eclipse IDE. In Eclipse IDE, what are the steps in development of Java application? Yes, steps like creation of workspace, creation of projects, next creation of package, creation of classes, yes, defining methods, various steps, various steps. Okay, the steps I'll explain here. Okay, yes, after that, next steps to develop the application. After finishing that here, next overview of JVM. We'll be discussing about overview of JVM. Overview of JVM. Overview. Yes, once you develop the first application, you can understand about JVM here. Overview of JVM. Internal architecture, final topic. JVM, internal topic is a final topic. Okay, overview of JVM. Yes, after finishing overview of JVM, next is Java data types. Java data types going to discuss. After finishing JVM, the architecture, Java data types. Java data types. Okay. Yes, Java data types. After finishing Java data types, next Java operators. Java operators. How to use Java operators? Okay. 1 second. Let me show documents. See all these software basics. After finishing all these basics here, next introduction to Java. Just like features, independent platform, portability, scalability, all the Java features. How Java made us independent platform? Reason behind of that. Yes, how Java is a portable application. Yes, all the features one by one in document very clearly explained. Okay. Next, interview questions. For every topic, interview questions also prepared. What is Java? For example, what is exe file? Okay. Yes, like next Java different editions. The starting topic here. SE features, SE features, enterprise features. Okay, next. Like this, that frameworks, all that about Java, the Java introduction. Okay. Yes, after finishing that here. So next, 1 second. After finishing, what's the difference between C++ and Java? This is that all that introduction comes on introduction here. Difference between C++ and Java. Okay. Next, different versions of Java. It's a Java introduction. All that introduction here. Okay. Now writing sample program in Java. Okay. Command line, how to write the program. Next. Yes, using Eclipse, how to. Developing first Java application here. Yes. Next. See all this about that here. Yes. Next, naming conventions. Yes, overview of JVM. Yes, after developing first application, after developing first example, we'll discuss about overview of JVM. Like class loader, byte codifier, Java interpreter, security manager, thread scheduler, garbage collector, JIT compiler, all of that overview. Different components of JVM. Okay. Yes, after explaining this, see this. Next, one more thing, interview questions. On every topic, I have prepared interview questions. Excellent document, no doubts. Okay. Yes, around 500 page document. This is around 500 page document here. Like what is OS? Yes, what is an exe file? Can we create exe file in Java? What is dot class file? Okay. What's the difference between .exe dot class file here? Yes, what's the difference? JDK, JRE, JVM. The questions, all the interview questions prepared here. Okay. First, I'll explain the topic here. Once topic completed on each and every topic, interview questions. I have prepared. Okay. I have prepared. Then I will explain interview questions also. In every topic, I'll explain interview questions. Okay. So Java data types, next Java operators. So next, see Java. Yes, this is a Java setup. All this path setup. Yes, with screenshots. Java settings, Java setup. This is okay. Java setup. Yep, this is with screenshots. Java setup. Okay, steps to set up your Java. This is okay. Next, On Linux, how to set the Java in Linux base, on Linux base. Next, Eclipse setup, Eclipse, Eclipse setup, how to work with Eclipse, the Eclipse environment. Then Java data types. Then starting with Java data types. Okay, Java data types. Like there are different data types. After finishing Java data types, next Java operators. Java operators like unary, binary, ternary. How to use unary? Like increment, decrement operators. Next binary, like arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators. How to use all the data types? Sorry, all the operators. So unary, binary, and ternary. Different type of operators. Using different type of operators. Okay. Yes. Next, after finishing operators, so next topic is control statements. Control statements. How to use control statements? Control statements. Yes, control statements like if statements. Yes, if statements. Next, using switch case. Yes, using switch case statements. Next, while loop. Next, do while loop. Do while loop. Yes, do while loop. Next, for loop. Next, for each loop. Yes, there are different types of if statements. Different types of if statements. Okay. Different types of if statements. Different types of if statements. Okay. Different types of if statements, switch case statements, while loop, do while loop, for loop, and for each loop. These things here. Control statements. See, up to 10th one control statements. After this, we are going to discuss about 50 examples. 50 examples. Yes, I'll explain 50 examples in this here. 50 programs we are going to discuss. Yes, you have to improve our logics, programming skills. Yes, you should have good programming skills. Yes, who is having good programming skills, they can survive in the software field. Even they can face interview very easily here. Programming skills, improving the programming skills. For this purpose, initially we'll be discussing about 50 examples. Yes, even also that programs list. Yes, going to solve this much of programs. All this. Yes, around 39 examples on loops. Next on if statement 15. Totally around 50 examples we'll be discussing. Beginning itself, yes, we'll be discussing 50 examples. I'll explain 50 examples. Even I'll give the assignments, daily assignments. Yes, I'll give you assignments. You have to solve some assignments also. Every day after finishing class, yes, I'll give some assignments also. Okay. Yes, assignments. Some assignments also will be given. Okay. Yes. So control statements after finishing this 11th topic is arrays. Arrays. Yes, this is little bit similar to C language arrays here, but Java arrays are different here. Little bit matching arrays. Arrays concepts like single dimension arrays, next double dimension arrays, single dimension, multi-dimension, this different kind of arrays. Okay. Yes, in these arrays, we are going to discuss about different concepts like searching techniques, like linear search, binary search, searching techniques, linear search, binary search in this. Here linear search, yes, linear search, linear searching technique here, linear search. Next second one, binary search, linear search, binary search, these techniques here. Next sorting. After searching here, next sorting techniques. Sorting techniques. We'll be explaining about sorting techniques also. Sorting, like bubble sorting. There are different type of sortings here. Bubble sorting. Okay. There are different type of sortings here. Bubble sorting, insertion. There are different type of sorting techniques. Insertion. Okay, insertion sorting, bubble sorting, insertion, sequential. Next, heap sorting, merge sorting, hash sorting, different type of sorting techniques here. Sorting techniques. In arrays, searching techniques, searching techniques, and sorting techniques. These are very, very important in real-time projects. Sorting commonly is in programming skills. Yes, sorting techniques and searching techniques. They are minimum skills in programming here. Okay. Yes, different kind of sorting techniques here. Bubble sorting, sorting, insertion, next heap sorting, multi sorting, hash sorting. There are different type of sorting techniques. We'll be discussing one by one. Okay. Arrays. After finishing arrays, next methods. How to use methods in Java? Methods. Yes, using methods in Java. Methods in Java here. Methods like call by a different type of methods like call by value, call by reference, different kind of methods. Okay. Yes, up to this is basics. So this is basics, comes on basics here. This part will be taken for around, yes, 2 weeks. Minimum 2 weeks required for this. Minimum 2 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks may not be enough. 3 weeks. Minimum 3 weeks required for this. Up to this topic, 3 weeks. Okay, starting from basics. Okay, starting from basics to this, starting from, yes, software basics to all the Java basics. Okay, 3 weeks. Next, after this, next whoops concept starts. Yes, whoops concepts. So whoops concept starts here. Next whoops concepts. Yes, whoops concepts. Okay. In whoops concept here, yes, different implementations. Yes, whoops features implementation here. Implementation. Yes, implementation. Yes, implementation. Implementation of implementation. Yes, implementation of whoops concept features here. Yes, implementation of whoops concept features, right? Yes, in this first one, in whoops implementation here. Yes, what is class and object here? Classes and objects. How to define the classes? How to create the objects? First chapter, first topic is classes and objects. Classes, objects here. Classes and objects. Okay. After finishing classes and objects here, next topic is methods overloading. Next is method overloading. Next is method overloading. Next is method overloading. After finishing method overloading here, so next topic is static data and methods. Static data and methods. Next topic is static data and methods. Okay. In whoops implementation here, first classes and objects. Next method overloading topic here. Next static data and methods. Yes, after finishing this, next constructors. Using constructors. Constructors. Different type of constructors like default constructors, parameters constructors. Next constructor overloading. So next topic is constructor. Yes, constructor overloading. Constructor overloading topic here. Constructor overloading. Yes, after finishing this, next topic is this. Yes, this reference. How is this reference here? This reference. Yes, after finishing this reference here, so next topic is inheritance. Next is inheritance. Next topic is inheritance. In this inheritance, different types of inheritances here, like a single inheritance, multi-level, and hierarchical. Java supports only 3 types of inheritance. Actually, there are 6 types of inheritance available here. 6 types of inheritance. But Java supports only 3 types. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical. Okay, inheritance topic here. Okay, single, multi-level, and hierarchical implementations here. After inheritance, next one is here, access specifiers. Like public. How it is public here? See, access specifiers here at the beginning itself only. Yes, using some access is for public here, but at the beginning can't understand. Once all these concepts cleared here, inheritance and class, if that concepts are finished here, you can understand. Public, next protected, next defaults, and private, like this. Okay, see, right time, right topic. Okay, yes, at the beginning we can't discuss certain topics here. So depends on situations, we should discuss the topic here. Okay, right time, right topic. Yes, starting from basics, then I will take to high end. Generally here, high end topics I will never touch at the beginning. At the beginning, basics, then finally I will take to high end. One step by step I should clear it. Otherwise may not be understanding here. Step by step, there is a link. Yes, I will maintain link. Yes, between topics, there is a link. I'll maintain that link here. But most of the trainers in the market, they will not maintain any link. Without any link, they will explain topics. No, my way is not like that. There must be a link. I will link the topic here. That link is must there here. Okay. Access is pairs. After that, next access. Access modifiers. Access modifiers. Yes, access modifiers. There are different access modifiers, like 7 types of access modifiers, like static. Okay, like static. Next final, next abstract. Okay. Yes, next. Yes, synchronize. Next transient. Next volatile. Next native. Like this, there are different access pairs. 7 types of access modifiers. 1 second. Access pairs, access modifiers. There are 2 things. See, most of the websites, they are saying that access modifiers, access pairs, both are same. No, it's not same. Okay, it's not same. Most of the trainers, most of the websites, they are misguiding us. No, wrong. Yes, I'm more than the industry. I'm more than the Google. Okay, even Google also can't give that kind of answers. Okay, I have given many solutions and projects here, many issues, many solutions. Okay, more than the Google. My knowledge, my experience is more than the industry. Yes, in industry I work at top level. Lot of coding skills, lot of very depth knowledge in Java. It's my favorite topic is Java. My favorite subjects. It's my life, almost equal to my life, Java. I work like that. Java, very interested topic, this Java. Very interested technology for me. Okay. I work a lot with Java. Okay. Yes. I'm living with Java daily. Just I'm living with Java. You can understand what is my interest in Java. Okay. Yes. So access modifiers, this is. Yes, after finishing access modifiers. So next topic, access modifiers. 9th one. Yes, after access modifiers. Next one. Yes, polymorphism. Next is polymorphism. Polymorphism. Yes, with this ending oops. Oops ending. Okay. So this before oops, it's a part 1. Before oops, it's a part 1. Before oops, part 1. Next oops, part 2. Oops, part 2. At this oops, it will be taken for yes, around 2 weeks. This is 2 weeks. Oops, 2 weeks enough. Okay. See, 1 second here. Up to this part 1, part 2, just learning technology. Technology finished. Java learning over. Yes, next real time starts. Part 3, it's real time. So how to use Java in real time? Yes, all that real time things here. Okay. So next year, yes, oops completed with this oops completion here. After finishing oops here, next. Yes, next topic. Yes, 1 second. First part 1. This is part 1. Course contents. Part 1. This is part 1. Part 1. Okay, this is part 1. Okay, part 1. Yes, up to this is part 1. This is. Okay, yes, sorry. Up to this is part 1. Up to 13th topic. Yes, up to this part 1. Part 1, 3 weeks. Next, part 2. Yes, part 2. It's a oops concepts. Part 2 oops concepts. Okay, all the oops concepts here. Part 2. Next, part 3. Part 3. Yes, actual work starts here. Part 3. Yes, here actual your real-time work starts. Before that, learning technology. Here actual work starts. First topic is strings. how to handle strings in Java. Yes, in real-time usage of strings. Strings. Next, string buffer. How to string buffer? String buffer. Next, string builder. String builder. Like this. String buffer. String builder. String tokenizer. Next, one more string tokenizer. String tokenizer. Using string tokenizer. Yes, to handle strings here, we need different kind of things like string class, string buffer, string builder, string tokenizer. Where to use different kind of things here? Yes, what is scenario where to use such these things here? Okay, after finishing this, after strings, next data conversion. This is one of the important topic. Data conversion, data conversions, data conversions, data conversions. Like nothing but somewhat like a typecasting. Basic to basic. Yes, next basic to class type, class to basic. Okay, like different conversions here using some object wrapper classes. Using object wrapper classes here, we are going to use object wrapper classes here. Object wrapper classes. Data conversion topic. Yeah, this is most important topic in projects everywhere. Getting data conversion topic. Without data conversions, no projects. Without strings, no projects. Okay, see, up to this is from learning technology part 2. Part 3 actual real time starts. Okay, so data conversions. Yes, after finishing data conversions, yes, next topic. After data conversions, next topic is exception handling. This is one of the important topic in Java. Exception handling. Exception handling. Yes, what is this one here? Exceptions. Exception should be handled. Otherwise, loss of data. What is exactly exception here? Yes, exception is a abnormal termination. Yes, abnormal. Just it's a abnormal termination. Just it's a abnormal termination. It's a abnormal termination. Yes, abnormal termination. So exception is a abnormal termination. Suppose application suddenly terminating here. That is called exception here. Suppose Java application terminating abnormally. What happens? Loss of data. Loss of data. Suppose Java application, for example, banking application developed in Java. Suppose banking application while depositing amount suddenly failed. What happens here? Loss of the amount. Transaction fails. Transaction fails. But actually here for end user looks like a successfully deposited, but actual transaction fails because of exceptions here. Very dangerous this is. That should be handled. That exception should be handled here. Such kind of scenarios here. Such kind of scenarios, you should write the coding. You should write coding for the exception handling here. Okay. Yes, Java providing that features. Yes, exception handling features. Java providing that features here. Okay. Yes, after finishing exception handling here. Yes, very interesting topic, exception handling. After finishing exception handling, yes, next collections. Yes, most important topic in Java. This is collections. Nothing but data sectors concept here. Java data sectors. Data sectors concepts. Like C language data sectors. In C language, like linked list, single linked list, double linked list, stacks, queues, and trees. Like that. In Java, also collections topic is available. Means data sectors. Okay. Like some hash table, next array list, linked list, stack, queue, vector, tree sets, map, various collection components available. The things we should use. Okay, right? Like a Python data sectors. This data sectors concept is anywhere common. C language data sectors, C++ data sectors, Java data sectors, Python data sectors. Everywhere required compass this is. Collections topic here. Okay. After finishing collections, yes, next one. After finishing collections, next topic, IO streams. Yes, input output streams. Input output streams. IO streams. Input output streams. It's nothing but a file handling here. It's a file handling. Yes, how to handle the files here. File handling. Yes, in real time here, there are different types of files. Real time projects, you have to handle different kind of files. Okay. Yes, like something like yes, CSV files, comma separate values, CSV files, CSV files. How to handle CSV files? Comma separated values. Comma separated values. CSV files. Next Excel files. How to read Excel data. How to generate Excel sheets. So Excel files. Okay, see CSV files. Reading from CSV file, generating CSV file. Using Java program, how to create CSV file. Next, reading from CSV file. Next, Excel files. Yes, using Java program, how to read Excel files data. Next, how to write the Excel files. Reading Excel and writing the Excel. Next, XML files. Next topic is XML. Yes, using Java, how to read XML data. Reading XML files and generating XML files. Reading and writing, creating XML files. Next, JSON files. Next, JSON files. Yes, this is all is real time. Yes, here in files, many scenarios we are going to discuss. Yes, I'll give some POC. Yes, project kind of things. Okay. Yes, in files, I'll give project kind of things here. Yes, you have to do that. Of course, I'll explain everything. Yes, project kind of thing, data processing. Using files and Java data processing here. Data processing, that project I'll give. Yes, you have to do that. Some POs like a small project, I'll give that. Just try it. Of course, I'll explain everything. Don't worry, I'll explain. Okay. Yes. Next, after finishing IO streams, yes, this is most important topic. Almost this is will be taking for minimum 1 week to 10 days. Only this topic. This is minimum 1 week to 10 days. Collections. It's a 1 week collections. Okay. Yes, exception handling 3 to 4 classes. This is next. This part also 3 to 4 classes. Okay. Next, after finishing IO streams. Yes. Next is networking. Networking, we are going to discuss about TCP and UDP applications. Networking technology. So networking, see, networking in that different type of terminology, like what is IP address, what is port number, what is IP address, what is port number, what is server, what is client. Okay. Next, what is protocol, what is URL, different kind of terminology here. Next, what's the difference between TCP and UDP? Next, TCP applications means one-to-one communication. And next, UDP applications means one-to-many applications. Okay. Yes, in TCP applications, we'll see one chatting server, chattings like Facebook, like WhatsApp chatting server. I'll explain about chatting server. How to develop chatting server. Developing chatting server, like a WhatsApp chatting, here. Yes, TCP applications chatting server will discuss. Okay, here also this one-to-one chatting server. This is UDP is one-to-many chatting server. So this is one-to-one. This is one-to-one. Right, next this one-to-one. The one-to-many here, one-to-many. Okay, see here, one person to another person, one person delivering message to many persons, one-to-many, one-to-many. These things will be discussed practically here. All this with examples I'll explain here. Practically we'll discuss. Okay, after finishing, next one is multi-threading. Yes, multi-threading. Next is multi-threading topic here. Multi-threading. Yes, multi-threading here. How to develop multi-thread application. Yes, to get the more performance. To get more performance in Java applications, we need to use multi-threading. Certain scenarios we should use multi-threading. Of course, nowadays in applications we are not using multi-threading because there are predefined frameworks available. Frameworks like Spring framework, Struts framework, Hibernate framework, next Hadoop framework, next Ignite framework, Spark framework. There are different frameworks in Java. Different frameworks available. Spring framework, internally developed using multi-threading only here. Spring framework. Okay, there are different frameworks in Java. Spring framework, next Hibernate framework, next Struts framework, Hadoop framework. Hadoop is a part of Java. Okay, that frameworks internally using multi-threading only. Yes, actually we are not going to develop any multi-threading, but you must have multi-threading knowledge. If you know that multi-threading knowledge, then easy to work on the applications here. Multi-threading. So developing multiple threads. Next, how to maintain synchronization between threads. Next, how to resolve deadlock situations. Okay, next, yes, synchronization, all that kind of concepts here. Okay, so multi-threading. Yes, after finishing this one here, yes, next, final topic, part 4. Part 4. In part 4, yes, features of different versions here, different with Java versions and its features here, Java versions. Yes, Java versions and features. I'm sorry, and features, Java versions and features. In this, Java 8 features, next Java 9 features we will discuss. Java 8 and 9 here. Java 8 and 9. So these are latest here. Java 8, 9, next 11, 13 is there here. That is different case. Java 8 and 9 features I'll be explaining here. This final topic is Java 8 and 9 features. Okay. So what is new in Java 8? What is new in Java 9? That features will be discussing. That features is a final topic. Okay, right? Yes, apart from this, for every topic there's a interview questions. Interview questions I have prepared here. Interview questions. Yes, in topic itself, I'll explain about interview questions. Interview questions. On topic itself, interview questions. Okay. Next, I'll give one project. You have to do that. Yes, I'll give one project here. That project you have to work at. Otherwise, I will explain. Okay, just you have to work on some projects using files. Using files, you have to work on some project here. Of course, I'll explain. First, I'll give the assignment. You have to do that. Otherwise, finally, I'll explain here. Okay. So these things. 1 second. Here, part 1, 3 weeks. Part 2, yes, 2 weeks. Part 3, it's a 4 weeks topic. This is very big topic. 4 weeks. Around 4 weeks. Total duration here. Total duration. Yes. First initial parts 3 weeks. Part 1. Yeah, this is 3 weeks topic here. Part 1 3 weeks. Next part 2. Oops, concepts. Yes, it's a 2 weeks. Part 2 weeks. Part 3 it's a real time. Yes, a project area. This is project working area here. Real time. Yes, this is 4 weeks. I'll take it. Yes. My main focus is part 3. 4 weeks. Okay, next. Final concepts are 1 week. Last 1 week. Yes, last 1 week is Java 8 and 9 features. Last 1 week. Totally 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 8. 8 weeks. Yes, 8 into 7. How many days? Yes, 56, right? 8 weeks multiplied by 7 days is equal to this value, equal to 56, right? 56. Yes, 56 days totally here. Yes, I think, yes, 60 to 70 days will be taken over syllabus, complete syllabus. 8 weeks may be extending for 10 days. Yes, 100%, 5 to 10 days may be extending here. 60 to 70 days your course duration. Max is 70 days. 7 days. Okay. Max is 70 days here, not more than that. Max is 70 days. So minimum 6 days required, no doubt. Minimum 6 days I need here. Then finally 7 days. Daily class. Yes, 8 to 9:30. 8 to 9:30. 8 to 9:30 p.m. IST daily class. Okay. So class, yes, Monday to Friday. No Saturday, Sunday classes. Monday to Friday classes. Monday to Friday, 8 to 9:30 p.m. IST. Monday to Friday here. Total duration 60 to 70 days required here. 60 to 70 days. So Monday to Friday here, 8 to 9:30 p.m. IST. This is complete course plan here. Okay. Next, one more thing here. One more. Yes. Daily recordings provided. Daily recordings provided. Okay. Yes, after finishing class, within 1 hour, you can watch all the recordings. Daily recording. Okay, by 11 p.m., all recordings will be updated. Yes, after finishing class, within 1 hour, that recording will be uploaded. You can watch it here. You can watch it here. Daily recordings provided. Okay. Next, yes, 6 months support. Yes, 6 months support on recordings here. Recordings. Okay, anytime you can watch it here. 6 months support on recordings. Okay, 6 months support. Okay. Next, apart from this, one more. Yes, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. One second. Next, one more here. WhatsApp group. Yes, I'm creating WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes, anyone, any doubts are there, just ping me WhatsApp group. I'll respond you. Yes, I'll be creating WhatsApp group. Okay. Just I'm creating WhatsApp group. I'm maintaining WhatsApp group. Okay. Yeah, advanced Java class also. Yes, advanced Java class also I'm taking care. WhatsApp group. I'll be creating WhatsApp group. 1 second. I'll show that groups also. WhatsApp group. For every batch, I'm maintaining WhatsApp group. See, WhatsApp group. See, Core Java WhatsApp group. Yes, Advanced Java WhatsApp group. Linux WhatsApp group. Yes, I'm taking these batches now here currently. For all these WhatsApp groups are there. Okay. For example, here, yes, let us take some Java group. Core Java. Some ATM batch. See, their doubts and all this. I'm responding to their doubts here. Their doubts and communication, daily communication. Okay. Daily that communication with, see, some doubts they are asking, further doubts, response. See that response, how I am responding. Yes, these are some questions they are asking. I'm responding for them. Okay. Questions and response. Okay. Yes, even Linux batch also. Some questions, response. Some questions, response. Okay. Here that kind of support is there. That kind of support. Okay. For your batch also, I'll create WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes, I will share every information. Yes, it's a minute-to-minute comment like a Google. Once you posted any question, I'll respond like a Google immediately. Yes, even Google also may not be giving perfect answer, but I'll give the perfect answer because my knowledge and experience more than the industry. Lot of experience in the industry here. Immediately, I'll respond immediately. Even Google also may not be, but I'll give the correct answer. Correct, 100% correct answer. Right answer I'll give it here. Okay. Yes, 1 second. WhatsApp group. Yes, my number is 81791891. This is my WhatsApp number. Ping me your details. Yes, your name. Next, WhatsApp course you attending here. WhatsApp course. WhatsApp course you attending here. Okay, next WhatsApp time you attending here. Next email ID required compulsory. Email. Because here I'll be sharing everything through the Google Drive. Like videos sharing through the Google Drive. Next, software sharing through the Google Drive. Next, your class document. These are class documents. These complete documents. Yes, around 500-page documents. Very big documents. 500-page documents with page numbers. Okay. Yes, with my profile and all this. Yes, all this. This is very big document. This 500-page document. This document is for you. Okay. See, in this document, every topic interview questions are there. You can see some if statements. different examples on this if statement. That's all the examples, various examples. Increment, decrement operators using increment, decrement like this, various examples. Okay. Next, on every topic, interview that is highlighting. Yes, in this document, most useful document for you. Yes, arrays and all this. Yes, including internal concepts, how the Java internally working, JVM how it's working internally. Okay. Yes, 1 second. After finishing the topic here. Yes, including memory management and all this. Working with methods. Yes, how methods are working internally. Stack memory, heap memory, and all this like this. Yes, next interview questions. Every topic. For every topic, interview questions are there. See this, the list of topics. See the list of topics. These are list of topics, right? That list. Yes, list of topics. For every topic, see first initially, after finishing software basics, interview questions. After finishing Java introduction features, interview questions. Okay. Next, data types, interview questions. Operators, interview questions. Control statements, interview questions. For every topic, areas, interview questions. For every topic, interview questions are there. Oops concepts. Yes, classes, objects. After that, interview questions. Method of overloading, interview questions. Static data methods. After finishing topic, interview questions I have prepared. Very clear. Okay. 1 second here. My promise is, so by the time of finishing course, by the time of finishing course, yes, by the time of finishing course, yes, you should be in a position to put up 4 years of experience. Okay. Yes, you should be in a position. Yes, you should be in a position. You should be in a position. Yes, to put up. Yes, to put up minimum 4 years of experience. Yes, it should be put up here. Yes, I'll give the resume. Yes, about resume and interview questions, I'll take care of. Okay. Yes, by the time of finishing course, you should be in a position to put up minimum 4 years of experience. One more promise. There is a fresher requirements in our company. In my company, in my circle, many companies. I worked for many companies. Okay. Freshers requirements. Any freshers requirements are there, I will inform it. Freshers requirements and experience requirements, I'll inform it. Okay. Freshers requirements. See, for this purpose, I'm maintaining some group. My personal group I'm maintaining here. Some personal group maintaining here. Yes, this group, first group is 500 members, 250 members, next group 250, totally 500 members. That all that world students that I'm maintaining group here. Yes, in their groups, I'll post the requirements. Yes, maybe in my company requirements, maybe other companies requirements, any freshers requirement comes, or maybe 2 to 3 years of experience here. That case, I'll share that requirement. This is 100%. I'll do that. Freshers requirements and experience requirements, I'll share it. This is my 100% assistance for you and helping for you. 100%, no doubts. Okay. Yes. So this is the promise things here. So your batch, yes, batch 60 to 70 days, 8 to 9:30 p.m. IST here, Monday to Friday, daily recordings provided here, 6 months support on recordings here. Okay. Next, this is WhatsApp group. So once you member of this group here, I'll give the 1 year support. Yes, for doubts and everything here, 1 year support. 1 year technical support. 1 year technical support. 1 year technical support. Okay. 1 year technical support here. Once you become my student here, Yes, relationship never ending. Sure, I am sure. Because many my students are there here, still they are maintaining relationship with me here. So any requirements in their company, they will inform me. Yes, immediately I will inform. Yes, freshers. Because I have that kind of relationship with students here. So once you member of yes my WhatsApp here, then every kind of questions, any kind of things I can answer you. Any kind of help I can do that. Okay, so job assistance and your future career development, career building here, all that. Yes, I should give all kind of, otherwise what is the use of my experience? Yes, my experience should be utilized for everyone. Okay, yes, yes, my experience should be utilized for you. Not only technology explaining here, I should explain real-time scenarios. I should explain technology. I should explain real-time scenarios. I should provide job assistance also. Otherwise, what's the use of this 20 years of experience? Worked with many companies. Okay, I worked with many companies here. I have many lot of circles there. Okay, definitely 100% job assistance is there. I'll try to provide it. That is my assurance. 100% assurance here. Okay. Yes, any chance is there, I'll inform you immediately. Right? Yeah, that's all about. Yes, that's all about course plan and everything this. Okay. Yes, 1 second. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Please ping your details. I will add to group. I'll be creating group tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be creating group here. Okay. Yes, please send me your details. This is my WhatsApp group number here. Okay, I'll create group for you. Especially for your batch, I'll create separate group, not existing group. Your batch is different group. I'll create different group. Yes, after finishing your course, I will add to main group. Once your course finished here, I will add to main group. Yes, in main group, you can communicate with the different guys. Right? That is like a friendly environment. Okay. Yes, guys, any doubts regarding course contents and all this? Their course contents. Okay, for these documents. Okay, yes. Timings fixed, no change. 8 to 9:30, no change. 8 to 9:30, it's a fixed one. No change of time here. 8 to 9:30 is a fixed one. Okay, right? Yes, any doubts? Yes, any doubts, guys? See, definitely my subject is more than the industry. Okay. Yes, no trainer will cover that much of topics. That way of explanation also very good. Yes, you will see. Yes, way of how I'm explaining, a way of explaining is very good. Nowhere comparable. Yes, with any other trainer, nowhere compare because I have that kind of presentation skills. Okay. Yes, various platforms, I have presented many things here. Like in years, yes, I worked in years for 2 years. I was there in years for 2 years. 2 years. Okay. 2 years, 2012 to 2013. 2012 and 2013. I was in years. Okay. Yes, I was in years to work on some projects. Okay. Later return back to India, continuing India only here. Yes, in years also many presentations given. Yes, US, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. In various locations, I have given a lot of presentations. Yes, I have very good presentation skills. Okay. Yes. Yeah, definitely. At the end, I will explain one project definitely. At the end, I will explain surely some projects. Okay. Yes, no worry about projects and real-time scenarios. At the end, I will explain one project 100%. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes, advanced Java. After finishing core Java, I can start advanced Java also. Okay. See, I'm taking Java classes, Linux classes, and advanced Java classes. Only this much presently. Linux, core Java, advanced Java. These things I'm taking. Okay. Yes. Next. Any doubts? Yes. Sometimes I'm taking database classes also. Database classes also taking. Okay, I will inform you. Whenever taking database classes, I will inform you definitely. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes. Any doubts, guys? Yes. Spring framework also taking. Framework class also taking care. So once you finished your Java, okay, once you finished Java, you can attend framework classes, no doubts. Okay. Yes. Any doubts? Still any doubts? Yes, any doubts? If no doubts, yes, let us wind up session for today. This is completely my course plan, course contents and everything here. Tomorrow, I'll start actual class. Tomorrow, I'll be starting actual class. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharply here, 8 to 9:30 daily. Yes, first initially, I'll take 8 to 9:15 because, yes, 8 to 9:15 only I will take it. Initially, maybe if I am taking more time, maybe little bit confusion for you. Slowly, I will take it here. 8 to 9:15 p.m. Sorry, 8 to 9:15. Initially, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once everyone is on track, then I'll take 8 to 9:30. Okay, here just course fee and all, just to talk to online team. Yes, they will give a discount, no problem, no doubts. I told them to give some discount also because corona issue and all this may not be in a position to pay much fee. Okay, already I informed. Yes, management I informed to online team here. There will be some discounts, no problem. Okay, yeah, no problem. Even at missing classes, no problem. Yes, that recording is available. You can watch recordings, no issue. Recordings, we are providing recordings also. Okay, yes, tomorrow I'll share the recordings tomorrow. Yes, in the class middle itself here. So whatever that URL, I'll share it. Yes, in chat box. Yes, here chat box is in chat box. I'll share the URL for the class. Okay, I'll share that URL to watch your recordings. Yes, daily recordings available here. Today already recording is going on. Today all recording is going on here. But that's transcription. That URL I'll share it. Yes, tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards. From tomorrow it's regularly starting. From tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow regular classes. From tomorrow regular classes. Today just only demo, like a demo. This is like about myself, about course plan, course duration, and all this explained here. Tomorrow, from tomorrow regular classes starting. Regular classes. Okay. Yes, I'll be entering into actual topic. Tomorrow topic is starting basics. Tomorrow topic, yes, tomorrow, yes, will be starting. Tomorrow will be starting with starting software basics. Software basics. Software, we'll see software basics. Starting software basics. Tomorrow starting software basics. After that, I will enter into Java. Okay. Yes, tomorrow entering into actual topic here. Okay, tomorrow is a continuous process. Yes, giving demo after 2 or 3 days starting classes. No, it's not like that. Tomorrow itself I'm starting. It's a continuation. Okay. Yes, 1 second. Kala, 1 second. Suppose any doubts are there in class itself, we can ask doubts. Yes, yes, I will unmute everyone. Okay. Yes, I'll unmute everyone. You can ask any doubts. Okay, you can speak in the class itself, no problem. Slowly I will explain. Okay, slowly I'll explain here. Any doubts are there, just I will unmute. Okay, then you can speak, no problem. Because here maybe somebody giving some disturbance. For that reason, I'm yes, muted today. Everyone I have muted. Actually, I'll unmute. Suppose anyone giving disturbance here, only that guy, I'll mute that guy. Okay, right? Yes. Yes. Classes Monday to Friday only. Monday to Friday only. Monday to Friday only. Okay, no Saturday, Sunday class. Monday to Friday, everyday class. Even one class also I'll not be missing here. Yes, I'm very punctual. Okay, committed. Committed is committed. Yes, within 70 days I'll finish your batch, no doubt. Slowly I'll explain. I'll take more time. Instead of 1.5 hours, sometimes I'll take 2 hours also. Slowly I will explain. Dedicatedly I'll explain it. No problem. Okay, Monday to Friday classes. Because Saturday, Sunday, weekends, yes, maybe personal works, office works, different kind of things are the weekends. Okay, so Monday to Friday classes, right? Yes, any other doubts? Any other doubts? Yes, still any doubts are there? Just, yes, just prepare your doubts every day. Next day class, you can ask me. Okay, prepare. Yes, all the doubts, what are doubts are there? Prepare it. Next day class, you can ask me. Yes, today may not be getting some doubts here. If any doubts are there, next day class, you can ask me. Okay. Next, one more thing here. Before starting class, just I will review yesterday topic. Before going to every topic here, I will review the previous class. After review, then I will go to new topic. Okay. Yes, no doubt. My way of experience is very good. You'll see going forward. Okay. You'll never see anywhere. Okay. Yes. Yeah, as a fresher, core Java enough. As a fresher learning core Java, you can apply for jobs. Fresher, core Java jobs, okay, fine. You can, no problem, no issue. Okay. Yes, that case I'll be the support. If you have yes, if you want as a fresher job, 100%, 100% I'll be the support because I have many friends. Industry, yes. Why? What do you have 22 years of experience in industry here? I have 22 years of experience. Many clients I worked, many companies worked, many friends, lot of circle is there. Yes, I should utilize that circle. Otherwise, no use of my experience. Okay. Yes, maximum I'll try to utilize my experience for you guys. Right? Yes. Next, any doubts? Any doubts? If no doubts, let us wind up session for today. Tomorrow we'll continue at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. sharply. Okay, tomorrow starting regular classes. From tomorrow, regular classes starting. Okay, yeah, that's all today. Yes, here for course contents, yes, you can contact online team. 1 second, course contents. Yes, 1 second. Yes, course contents. Yeah, just you contact online team. They will provide course contents. Yes, P payment all is online. Yes, yes, I'll give the online team number. Just you contact online team. Yes, online team number. Yes, online team. Yes, Durga online team. Durga online team number for fee and all these commercial aspects. Just to contact online team. Okay, 1 second. I'll give this their number. Durgasoft online team. One second. Yes. Yeah. Take this number. 888 5252. Yes. 627. This online team number. The Durga online team number. Yes, you can contact them. Okay. Yes, sir. Fee and all these things. Just you contact online team. They'll provide details that you can pay here. You can pay for them. Okay. This online team. You can pay for them simply here. Right? Yes. Next. Any other doubts? Yes. Yes. They are giving some little bit discount also. I told them to give the discount because of Corona and all this here. Many are not in a position to pay much fee, so they can give the discount, no problem, right? Yeah. So that's all for today. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue. So thank you guys. Yes, have a good night. See you tomorrow.